Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to navigate YouTube TV. Are you new to YouTube TV or just looking to get the most out of your subscription?
Well, UVE comme tous right place.
In this video, we'll walk you through all the essential features and controls, making it super easy to find what you want to watch, manage your recordings, and personalize your viewing experience. Before we dive in, if you enjoy tech tips and tutorials like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Roam Tech for more awesome content.
Okay, let's get started.
We'll cover the main areas of the YouTube TV interface, including the Home tab where you'll find personalized recommendations, live TV previews, and recently recorded programs.
The Live tab. D'ici sur TV Guide.
We'll show you how to browse channels, filter by category, and set reminders. The Library tab everything you've recorded will be here. We'll explain how to manage your recordings and access on-demand content. The Search function a powerful tool to find specific shows, movies, or channels quickly. Customization options we'll also touch on customizing your guide, managing members of your YouTube TV family, and adjusting video quality settings.
Alright, let's jump right into the Home tab.
As you can see, right on the front, you get some personalized recommendations based on your viewing history. This is a great place to discover new shows or quickly access something you were watching previously. You also have previews for live TV, so you can quickly see what's on right now, and your most recently recorded programs are right here. It's really designed to get you to what you want to watch as quickly as possible. Next, let's head over to the Live tab. Think of this as your traditional TV guide, but with a YouTube TV twist. Here, you'll see a complete listing of all the channels available in your area. You can scroll through the guide to see what's currently playing and what's coming up later. One really handy feature is the ability to filter by category. So if you're in the mood for sports, just tap on sports, and you'll only see sports channels. Another useful feature is setting reminders. Let's say there's a show coming up later that you want to watch. Simply click on the program, and then hit Remind Me. YouTube TV will then send you a notification right before the show starts so you don't miss it. Now, let's talk about the Library tab. This is where all of your recorded programs live. YouTube TV gives you unlimited DVR storage, which is amazing. You can record pretty much anything you want, and it'll be stored here for up to 9 months. You can organize your library by show, or you can browse by genre. You'll also find on-demand content here, which are shows and movies that are available to stream instantly, even if you haven't recorded them. The search function is pretty self-explanatory, but it's a really powerful tool. You can type in the name of a specific show, movie, channel, or even an actor, and YouTube TV will find it for you. It's the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for. Finally, let's briefly touch on some customization options. If you go into Settings, usually found under your profile picture, you can do things like customize your live guide, reordering your channels and hiding the ones you don't watch. You can also manage members of your YouTube TV family, so you can share your subscription with your loved ones. Also, don't forget to adjust the video quality settings to optimize your streaming experience based on your internet speed. So there you have it. A quick overview of how to navigate YouTube TV. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.